we left the house, we knew we needed gas. We barely made it to the gas station. Flight is delayed, and there's all right, folks, what is up? What is up? What is up? Today's adventure, we are headed to the airport. Where are we going?
We're going to Vegas.
Vegas, baby! Now, are we gonna come back richer than we left?
Hell no.
Probably not. May not.
Go donate.
So we headed to Vegas, baby! Y'all stay tuned. We in the car just driving. When we left the house, we knew we needed gas. But we just got in the car and started driving. And I'm gonna show y'all how we just barely made it to this damn gas station.
Hey, we was on a toll road too, and
Oh, I don't even know if y'all can see that. Oh my gosh.
that'd been one way to miss a plane.
Man, well now we still gonna make the flight. We're on the train. We made it. Hold on. We made it, y'all, to the airport. Somebody.
Man, yo, for the pat down they just gave me, I should have charged for that.
All I seen was
Yo, he gave me a warning talking about the alarm sounded off of your crotch area and your buttock area. So he basically is like, I'm finna violate the hell out of you, dude. Not my fault, it's just my job. Yeah, like 2 spin arounds. One, do it, then spin around like something that's gonna jiggle out and you're gonna get it. I don't know what it was.
hey, all I saw was his nuts swiping in the wind back there.
I should have charged for that, man.
But we made it to the airport despite almost running out of gas.
Could have been bad. Could have been bad.
Could have been bad. No, that's not us. Hold on, we're gonna cut you back on in a minute.
Ready about my, I'm on Swift, bro.
Swapping in the wind. Anyways, y'all, we made it here despite almost running out of gas. We kind of a little close getting here, but flight's not boarding yet, so we still good on that.
We've flown out of this airport way too many times. We know you don't need much time.
Yeah, I mean there was a little line at TSA, and then like I said, somebody had got held up back there. But we made it.
Shorty had a crush or something. Lord.
We made it, and now we are gonna wait to board the plane, and we're gonna cut y'all back on once we get on there. All right, y'all stay tuned.
Peace.
Well, I haven't heard from you. So our flight is delayed.
Raft. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the back of the plane. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit and can
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
We have made it to Vegas. And here is our room, okay? Room.
In the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Then, watch out. I think he probably done locked the door. And this is our view, y'all. This is our view. Now he wanna play games and lock a bitch out.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
that shit is tiny.
oh,
Yeah, got the tipsy robot over here. Whatever drink you want, the robot's gonna make it for you. Here's the tipsy robot. Okay. Here in the Miracle Mile.
Balance energy.
Oh, no, good, thank you.
He said help with wife pain. I should have got wife pain. I should have got two.
White pain, what? You said what?
Should have got two of them.
He's so fired, he's so fired. But our shuttle bus driver told us to go find Ocean One. It's a good restaurant with good drinks, and we trying to go find it. So y'all stay tuned. The inside looks like outside in the Miracle Mall. We're still looking for Ocean One. Pomegranate, ooh, pineapple. Ooh, that's got s'mores ice cream.
Can we get the real food first?
Oh, yeah. Found it, y'all. We found the Ocean One bar.
And looking around, we thought we was gonna go. It's only two of us. It was gonna be easy peasy, but everybody out here waiting in line ain't but two.
And
Normally,
guess,
the folks that got them 5-6 people in their reservation, they gonna be here for a minute.
hey, but this place is cheap, okay? So they have 3 drinks for $12, all beer, is $3, and they have $5 lunch specials. So
I'm getting 3 Long Islands and good night.
I'm not doing that because it's still early in the day and we got most stuff we want to try to do. So we're gonna see how this goes.
I'm just gonna try it drunk.
We is not gonna be successful, y'all. There's appetizers here. Mediterranean something. Thoughts?
You gotta let it.
Marinate.
The sauce is good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try and see. I don't know which one to grab.
Salmon.
Oh, damn. They weren't playing around.
Salmon
Okay.
chicken fajitas. Okay.
Dang. I ain't even took a bite of my damn appetizer yet. And my food is already here. Okay. Okay.
They did an appetizer, a 30-second head start.
All right. I'm about to mess this food up. Be back. All right, y'all. We are at Ocean One, where everything is $5.99, and you get 3 drinks for $12. That is a deal. Let me show y'all here. We got salmon. I got the salmon. Pretty tasty. We got some appetizer wings. And he got the fajitas. Let me try these black beans.
Yeah, they're weird color black.
Y'all. I'm full. I was trying to kill this plate, which is a small plate. He full too, huh? I'm gonna do like him.
That's it.
Now we waiting on our second round of drinks. 3 drinks for $12? You can't beat that. They're actually not that bad either. Oceans One, y'all. Oceans One is in the Planet Hollywood Miracle Mile Shopping Center. It's the place to be. Okay, 3 for $12. There's my first one. There's his first one. And you can't share, so you gotta drink your own. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, y'all, we made it to the 3rd drink. But guess what? We taking it to go. In Vegas, you drink on the go, baby. We came, we ate, we full. And we got drinks to go. In Vegas, that's what you do. You get your drinks to go. All right, now, what's next? We don't know. We're about to go find out.
Right? Stay tuned.
Man, y'all.
It's all good to the Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
That part started getting a little weird on us.
Hey, so let's tell y'all about our little lift we just took. This man told us that Michael Jackson was still alive.
Guaranteed, because he knows somebody who knows somebody who was there.
Who knows somebody? But we have made it to Fremont Street, and we're about to go have the experience, and we're gonna take y'all along with us. So let's go. Roam around up in this thing real quick. England. That's one of the oldest.
Please say walk all the lights on. Wow.
Tell him.
He just stands there like
Tell him.
I'm trying to tell everybody to stop. He's got their crosswalk across. Thank you, man. I want no beer.